Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today we're going to be making inexpensive Christmas gifts. So what I have in front of me are some wire cutters or pliers. I have a round nose and a flat nose, and the difference between a flat nose that you would get, you know, in a hardware store and the one made for jewelry is that the jewelry making flat nose is actually flat inside here and does not have teeth. If you have teeth in there, it will mar your metal. Then I have a bunch of I have wire earring pieces over here in gold that match the loops that came on this piece here from Metal Gallery, and this is purchased at Hobby Lobby. I bought these butterfly wings on a discount. It was on sale. I think it was 40% off. So you're going to get 4 pair of earrings here for less than $10. So I'm just going to take 1 pair of wings off here and show you how quick and easy this is. So we're actually going to be using the wire loop that come with these. All right, and then we're just going to take 2 ear wires, and all we need to do is find the opening on this jump ring. And so you're going to look closely, and I can see it here. So holding on to one side and then holding on to the other side of my jump ring here, I am going to twist. So twist it open. All right. And check to see how I want my ear wire on there. And if you need another ear wire, or excuse me, another jump ring to make them hang the way you would like, you could definitely add that. Right, and making sure that's on there fine. And then you can see here, if you go to put this in your ear, your butterfly wing is going to hang off to the side like so. If you want it to face forward, you would add another little jump ring in. But here is a quick and easy way to make earrings for friends and family. Great, inexpensive Christmas gifts. Now these are resin butterfly wings, but you can use any of the jewelry bits that you find at any of your craft stores to make quick and easy earrings. Here's another option, is if you don't like the look of jump rings or too many jump rings, you can go ahead and take the jump rings off. So I'm twisting it open and taking the wings off, and then I am going to just use the ear wire and twist it open as well. Now the thing you want to be careful of with ear wires, depending on the kind that you get, they don't always bend well, and so you want to do minimal bending. And what I mean by that is it can break here, so you want to be careful and not bend too much. But I can take that ear wire and open it up and slide my gem on here, and in this case it is the resin butterfly wings. And even if you make resin pieces, buying these on sale was a better deal than me actually making them, so I was happy to find them. And so here it hangs just like that without any additional jump rings, and it does dangle. So that's another option in making these.